When we look at a technology provider to a business, and I look at the project as a whole, I would generally break down a project. So 2/3 of it is about the people in the implementation, and the final third is only about the technology. When it came down to the crunch, we had a very strong relationship with Phoenix. They had assisted us through some smaller projects historically. They had a history of our systems because they provide our support and maintenance. So there was just a natural leaning towards Phoenix for them to continue to deliver the solution. They have a can-do attitude, which is quite key because some of these technologies were fairly new, our approach was fairly new, and they had forged a good relationship with Microsoft in the past. And as we built our whole project around the Microsoft stack, it was key that we had those connections into the relevant Microsoft departments. During the actual project, Phoenix helped us with a number of sort of key areas. I suppose the first one that we identified was the consultancy element, so really understanding us as a business and also how we wanted to approach the project. That then really led to a high-level design, which then went through a number of system architects to really give us a full flavour of the number of different staging posts that we'd have to go through as we upgrade all of our key different systems, keeping them all compatible and ensuring no downtime. That then came to us, and we worked with the system engineers about how we would actually plan all of this project. And once we'd done all of the preparation, then it came down to the execution, which went without a hitch. We had no disruption for both our staff, for our clients. Our total cost of ownership of technology has been reduced. We look at key areas like virtualization that's allowed us to reduce our power and cooling requirements, our support and maintenance overheads as well. All of those benefits together probably have provided a cost saving of anywhere between 30 and 40,000 per annum to the business. We also then look at total cost of ownership for software licenses, and because again we've consolidated the number of suppliers to the business, we've been able to reduce our licensing overhead to the business as well. We have a firm strategy booklet which clearly states that when we work with our suppliers, we want to identify suppliers that enjoy working with us and that we'll enjoy working with them as well. And I think something that really makes that work is trying to identify a supplier that is happy to move away from both a client-supplier model to more of a relationship. And when we sat down and had discussions with Phoenix, they identified with that. They now understand our business, they're very close to us, they know what's important to us, what concerns us moving forwards as well. So I think when you sort of combine all of that and then you look at what the technology offerings that they can provide as well and their ongoing relationships with their partners and suppliers, then it really does provide a sort of a whole holistic relationship between us and Phoenix. And that's helped us both with the project, and it's helping us when we're facing the future as well.